Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Safari on your iPhone running iOS 15. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move the web address bar or the search box from the bottom of your phone back to the top. Mobile Safari is open. If you look at the bottom, there's the web address bar where I can type in a new website or do a Google search. I can also just scroll left and right through all of my open tabs. But if I don't care about the tab bar and I can't get used to having the search bar at the very bottom and I want to move it to the top, here's how you can do it on your iPhone running iOS 15.0 or later. So first I'm going to open up Mobile Safari just to confirm. If you look at the very bottom, there's that web address bar or the search bar and the tab bar. So we want to move it to the top. To do so, you're going to open up the Settings app on your iPhone. So I'm going to tap on Settings. You're going to scroll down until you see Safari. So tap on Safari, scroll down until you see the section for tabs. So it's currently set to tab bar. When you see tab bar, the address bar in the search field is going to be at the bottom of your browser. I'm going to tap on single tab. We'll go back to Safari. And now you can see the web address bar in the search field is at the top of the browser. If you still want to go through your tabs, you can tap on the icon in the bottom right corner. That'll pull up all of your open tabs. You can just tap on any tab to open that. So if you want to move the tab bar from the top to the bottom or the bottom to the top, open up the Settings app, scroll to Safari, go to Tabs. Single tab is at the top. Tab bar is at the bottom. That is your quick tip in iOS 15.0. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.